Okay, today we're going to look at the T30 Bluetooth earbuds. It's 5.0 Bluetooth, noise canceling, and waterproof. Here's the case, and so it has a indicator to tell you like what the battery level is once you place it. Here's where you connect the cable, and so it has 2 hours of fully charged, 30 hours max time, and it also does Siri. Here I'm just removing all the accessories. So including the package, there's a manual, warranty, cable, case, and 2 earbuds. Here's the cable they connect to it. So here I'm going through the Bluetooth connection. So you just want to go to your Bluetooth and new device, and once you locate it, you use pair, and it should pair to both instantaneously. One thing I like about the Bluetooth, they're extremely comfortable, earbuds, and also they look stylish and modern. And so I've used them to work out and to do daily activities around the house, outside, and they're comfortable after like a couple minutes, and they're not heavy at all. If you put them on, within probably 5-10 minutes you won't even know you have it on. Okay, so here I'm just going to do a test, a real world situation, and so I'm just going to put it on. Once I have it on, I'm just going to bounce around so you guys can see how easily it stays on if you're running, jogging, moving around, doing daily activities where you move your head to the left, to the right, you lean. My camera has a tendency to didn't catch up there, but anyways, this is me with the earbuds, and so you can see it stays on no matter what I do. Hope this review helps you in your buying decision process.